उस दिन की कहानी जब मैं और स्पेंसर।
हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सभी लोग।
भाई हल्का शांत रहे ले, एक बंदा इंट्रो कर रहा है, थोड़ा तो इज्जत कर ले
नहीं।
भाई। तो गाइस आज हम मतलब मैं और स्पेंसर ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गए ब्रिटिश के पीपल में। पूरा मैच अंग्रेजी अंग्रेजी अंग्रेजी। हम ना ही अंग्रेजी बोले, इंग्लैंड के लोगों का ड्रेस भी पहन लिए एकदम, पैंट, ये क्या ही बोलूं मैं, जो भी सेट है। तो गाइस बिना देरी किए हम अंग्रेजी का तहलका मचाने के लिए मैच में घुसते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। भाई रेडी तो कर ले। I got a gun bro, I got a gun. I got...
My gyro is reversing.
Bro, I am telling you leave gyro from today and be a non-gyro player.
No, I am
Your gameplay will improve, I am telling.
good gyro. I accidentally told Bengali, I guess. Means the tone was like Bengali, but while playing I don't.
I killed him. He was a bot, stupid bot.
Who is that? Means where?
Enemy, real enemy. He's damaging me, bro. Just see my health. Stay.
Okay, come out. I'm in good situation.
Come here, come inside, bro. Come inside. Because shots were coming from the side of the tower, so it will be dangerous if I give you a revive outside. Come here, come here. Yes. Right. One is 1 HP. Oh, number 3 just clutched.
Oh, what? I healed myself, but my health is still.
What is this? Shots are coming from the tower. Give him. Array. That bot. I'm reviving number 4, okay?
Yeah, fine.
Wait.
And number 3.
One enemy is on the tower, okay? He is up at the tower. Stay alert.
And this apartment?
No one. Two enemies came from that apartment and they were killed. I damaged one, but number 3 clutched. It's very risky, bro.
Okay, he got damage, you know. He got much damage from this. What to say?
From where another spray was.
Oh, other end. Arey, leave. Come here.
Wait, bro, wait.
Not from here, at the other end.
Okay. Go. I am giving cover. Let's go. Wait, I have to finish him.
I loot him also.
No. See, stupid number 3.
I used full pickaxe.
Where is the another one? From where is he? Oh, number 3 killed him.
I was playing full pickaxe.
Enemies are near us. Come.
Wait. Where? Mark.
In front of us only a buggy is standing. And a flare drop is also here. I have not spotted the enemy.
Mark.
I don't know. I think in this house.
Yes, that only mark.
Array, wait. I don't know. Means I saw a vehicle. See, I am marked.
Watch out!
Yeah, a little bit. Wait 2 minutes. Okay.
I killed him.
I'm healing myself.
I killed him.
He was a one.
Yes, only a solo. Oh, MK and AUG. I will not take anyone also. Car 98 is here. If you want, you can take it.
What the heck?
What happened?
Nothing else.
Arey bro, you did my again. You are just a thief, a kill thief. You are a kill thief.
Thanks.
This is not your appreciation.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Come bro, come sit in the buggy. Bro, come sit in the buggy. We'll chase him. Mission teammate. We have to catch the teammate and blast him. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, he is Alat. He is Alat. Oh, I am sorry. I am using Hindi. She is what I will say. Whoa. Let's go. Gone. Completely gone. Number 3, drop all your loot. Sorry, drop all your things that you have. Drop it.
See, number 2 is also.
Excellent work, number 4. We are proud of you. Drop everything you have, number 3. Drop everything you have.
Let him die, let him die. You will not lose your merit. And he doesn't know how to regain it. 90%.
No, let him. I am giving him one chance.
Please.
Wait, no. I will give you ammo afterwards. Arey,
Now
wait.
give him, now give him, I don't have.
Oh, just seize courage.
Come here, I have to take you. Come fast.
Wait, bro, wait. Come to me.
Come me, come to me.
Arey, I knocked him. Come, I knocked him.
Acha, you too now.
He knocked me, I knocked him. Done. Revive me.
Hey, someone's calling not this.
Bro, don't use Hindi.
Yeah, I did it.
You used.
Yeah.
Help.
I love Abhinandan for this number 3 right.
Yes. Gone. Gone, you stupid number 3. You wanted to kill me, now see what happened with you.
Wait, he was giving slams.
Let him give. I have switched off his mic. Nothing will happen. Let him give.
No, now he got disconnected. But before, I'm not rejecting.
Number 4 is a good teammate. Enemies are there. Arey, 4x, take 4x. Your favorite scope.
Hey, what? You got damage? How?
Yes, do you have a health kit? Give me. Arey, wait. I'm healing up.
First, we have to save.
Do you have a health kit? Hello? Health kit.
Yes.
Just give.
Come here. Take this.
Yes, thank you. Wait, I will use it afterwards. Now I will use the bandages.
Yes, but now let's go to the.
I am using Hindi by mistake. Oh, my spray! Bro, I did 1 HP. Arey, enemy. Vehicle came, no? Right, vehicle came. Wait, I'm doing mollies. Wait.
Ah! Fuck!
Arey, bro, but yeah, what are you doing? Oh, I got M24. Too good. See, you can take your 6x. Means here is an one extra one. If you want, you can take.
Oh my god, I am Jod.
Are you making poems?
Oh, sir, there is
Alright, enemies, stay alert. We have to go. What the hell?
Oh!
What the hell, bro? What the hell? What the hell happened?
Are the tires are gone now?
Oh, one body, running body.
Fuck, man.
One head.
That's a headshot.
अरे मारना यार.
Wait, bro. See there. अरे यार, what? Can't you see him?
No.
See.
no.
Don't panic like this. That's why I don't like.
Come. I smoke for you. Come.
Enemy. Another knock.
That's a headshot.
Jord or what? Last. Arey, bro, help me.
One is coming to finish you. Wait.
Bro, yes, OP cover, good cover, bro. Too good. Come,
God of what? Spray God of what?
come here.
Come.
Yes.
Oh my God. The spray.
I killed him. I know it will not be successful.
Watch out!
No one remains. Last enemy remains, bro. In the entire map, last one. But
Fine. You just
I no wait.
I'm letting up, Sunny.
Bro, wait. Yes, I'm coming.
Oh my God. I'm just now, but I'm letting up now. Don't move.
I do not have any nades.
He's a pro person, so but we'll win. Where is he?
Here.
Okay, fine.
Yes, good. We have zone advantage. Let's go. So good. MVP or what? Let's go. English only challenge. Completely successful. Let's go. Celebrate.
Yeah, boy.
Statue OP in the chat. Intro in Hindi or English.
Hindi.
तो गाइस आज का इंग्लिश ओनली चैलेंज यहीं पे खत्म होता है. होप यू लाइक इट भाई. बहुत सक्सेसफुली खत्म हुआ. क्या हुआ? वही तो इंग्लिश ओनली में मजा आया भाई. क्या ही चिकन निकला. एक टीममेट फालतू था लेकिन दूसरा मस्त था भाई. अच्छा बंदा था. तो गाइस अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. और नेक्स्ट वीडियो अपलोड होने तक क्या बाय बाय.